In this video, we are going to show you how to use the /compact command to manage the context window in Claude Code. When working on coding projects with Claude Code, every conversation, code snippet, instruction, and response uses part of the available context window. This context allows Claude to understand your project and provide relevant assistance throughout a session. However, as projects become larger, the context window can gradually fill up with information. Long conversations may contain completed tasks, outdated discussions, debug logs, and other details that are no longer important to the current objective. When too much information accumulates, it can become harder for Claude to focus on the most relevant context. This may affect efficiency, consistency, and overall workflow performance. The good news is that Claude Code provides the /compact command to help manage context more effectively without completely starting over. By the end of this video, you'll learn how the compact command works and how it can help you maintain cleaner and more efficient coding sessions. So, let's get started. The first method is to use the /compact command when a conversation becomes too large. Inside Claude Code, type /compact and press Enter. Claude will reduce the amount of context being carried forward by creating a more concise representation of the conversation. This helps preserve important information while removing unnecessary details that may no longer be useful. After the process is complete, continue working normally. You should still have access to the key project information while using less context space. This can help improve organization and make long coding sessions easier to manage. Many users find that periodically using /compact helps keep projects running smoothly without needing to start a completely new session. In most situations, this is all you need to do. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, monitor the size of your conversation as your project grows. Second, use the /compact command when the session contains a large amount of completed or unnecessary information. And third, continue working with a cleaner and more efficient context window. Remember that context management is an important part of working with AI coding tools. Keeping conversations organized allows Claude to focus more attention on your current objectives instead of processing large amounts of outdated information. Using /compact regularly can help improve efficiency, reduce clutter, and maintain better project continuity over time. It's also a useful alternative to starting a completely new session when you still want to preserve important project context. A simple context management habit like this can make a noticeable difference during larger software development projects. And that's how to use the /compact command to manage the context window in Claude Code. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Claude and other AI tools. Your support helps us create more tutorials, productivity guides, and practical AI workflows to help you get better results from your projects. If there's another Claude Code feature or workflow you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.